Want to save hundreds every year without changing your lifestyle? It's all about smarter choices. Stick around for the best hack. Let's get started.
24-hour rule. Before buying something you don't need, wait 24 hours. That new gadget or shoes might feel essential in the moment, but after a day, you may realize you don't want it as much. Never assume the first price you see is the best. Always compare at least 2 or 3 different stores. Look for discounts and better value alternatives. A few minutes of research can save you much more. Stop paying for things you don't use. Check your subscriptions. These recurring charges quietly drain your account. Do you really need it? Cancel what you don't use. Make a list before you shop. Because the biggest problem isn't always the price. It's buying 10 things you never planned to buy. A simple list turns random spending into controlled.
Check your pantry first. Before ordering food, check what you have. You might discover ingredients hiding in the back. Use what you paid for before buying more. This reduces waste and saves money. Buy generic when it makes sense. Brand names aren't always better. Compare the ingredients and the quality. Save money on the product, not the logo.
Check for legitimate cashback on purchases you already plan to make. But here's the important part. Never spend extra money just to earn rewards. The goal is to get money back.
Simple life hack. When cooking dinner, make 1 extra portion. Save it for tomorrow's lunch. This replaces expensive takeout or last-minute orders. Get more value from the same effort. Use a no-spend day. Don't buy anything unnecessary. No random online shopping, no convenience store snacks, no unnecessary takeout. Just use what you have. This habit makes a difference.
Something breaks? Don't just throw it away. First ask, can it be repaired? A loose screw or broken cable can be fixed cheaply. Spend a few minutes finding out if a repair is possible. You will save both money and
Energy-saving habits add up. Turn off lights, unplug devices, use efficient bulbs, and don't heat or cool an empty room. You're not trying to be uncomfortable, just stop paying for energy you don't use.
Here's a surprisingly powerful trick. Unsubscribe from promotional shopping emails. Because a discount isn't saving money if it convinces you to buy things. If you don't see it, you won't spend money. 15. Set a weekly spending limit. Stop thinking about your money only at the end of the month. This makes your budget much easier to understand. Now you won't blow your entire budget in the first few days.
Before buying something new, ask yourself one question. Do I already have something that can do the same job? The cheapest purchase is the one you never make. Before buying brand new, check for used. Furniture and tools cost way less. Just check condition and buy from trustworthy sources. You get the same value for a fraction of the price.
Need something but don't need it immediately? Wait for the right time to buy. Products become cheaper during seasonal sales, holiday promotions, and clearance events. Plan ahead and wait for a better price.
Hack number 17. Bring your own drink. Buying daily drinks adds up. Make it at home and take it with you. Save your money every single day.
Don't shop when you're extremely hungry. You're more likely to grab things that weren't on your list. Eat something first, make your shopping list, and then go. Buy what you actually need. Track every small expense. Write down every single purchase you make. That morning coffee, that snack, that delivery fee. Small expenses add up big. Know where your money is going. Decided where to cut back. Which money hack will you try first? Saving doesn't mean giving up everything. Just stop small amounts from disappearing. Start today and make them automatic. Hit like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.